All right, Brian Hoffner here with Hoffner Knives, and guess what? We are getting into cutlery. Specifically, we're starting with a 12-inch carving knife, sets of steak knives, and an 8-inch chef knife, and all made of high-grade German steel. And you'll have your choice of like a dozen grips, so it's gonna be really cool. So today we're going to make some pork steaks out of a pork loin and grill them, but we're going to slice them with the Carve Master. So this is the carving knife. It's got the Corona Maduro grips on it, but again, you'll have your choice of mini grips, but it's got the dimples and the blood groove on the blade. Now I like to make my pork steaks thick. I like them thick and juicy, so I'm going about 2 inches. Look at that, like butter slicing through that bad boy. Nice. So about 2 inches thick each. These are gonna be some big, giant, beautiful pork steaks. But it's just such a pleasure to cut with a knife that just slices so sharp and cleanly through the meat, through the gristle, through the fat, through all of it. So, all right. We've got some beautiful pork steaks sliced up, thanks to the Hoffner Carve Master. So next we're gonna season them up. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful carving knife. What do I do with it now? Well, why don't I just resheath it like a samurai barbecue. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is season these bad boys up. And I'm gonna use this XL2 that my good buddies Don and Matt at Hobbs Island Shooting Range in Alabama procured for me. I love this stuff. I put it on like everything. Well, I don't put it on my ice cream, but I like put it on all my meat. So I like to get a good coverage on both sides, and then also you want to get it on a 2-inch steak like this. You also want to get it around on the edges. So, and then I'm gonna put grind pepper on at least the tops and bottoms also. So, and get them all seasoned up beautiful like that. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna grill up so nicely. And 2 inches thick like this, they're gonna be so moist. Oh, delicious. All right, so it's raining, it's Houston. So, wait 5 minutes, it'll be pouring. So anyways, they're on the grill. 350 degrees. They only take 12 to 15 minutes, like 7 minutes on each side. And one thing about pork, you don't want to overcook it, it'll be dry, right? So if you leave it just a little bit pink, just a tiny bit pink on the inside, I'm gonna have to use my tack light. Yeah, it's ready. You leave it just slightly pink, and let it rest for a few minutes, the pink will be gone. Zoom in there, take a look at those beautiful, beautiful pork steaks. Oh yeah, gonna be so good. That's right. All right, they're done. So got a nice cab by Team One. Thank you, John Meyer. And this beautiful platter of pork steaks. We're going to slice into it with the Hoffner Steak Master, coming soon as well. Again, German steel, your choice of about a dozen different grips. And you'll be able to get it in the smooth edge micro serrations or fully serrated blade. So, cut so sweet, it's cut so nice. And look at that, just a hint of pink. If I squeeze it, you can see the juices coming out, so moist. just the way pork should be. Oh, it's so good, so moist, so delicious, so perfect.